Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the 12-inch high metal full-size bed frame, a sleek and sturdy addition to any bedroom. This platform bed frame, finished in a classic black, offers a modern design that eliminates the need for a box spring, saving you both space and money. With its easy assembly, you'll have this bed frame set up in no time, thanks to clear instructions and included hardware. Crafted from high-quality materials, this bed frame ensures stability and durability, providing a noise-free experience for a restful night's sleep. Its reinforced structure is built to last, capable of handling substantial weight without compromising on stability. Say goodbye to squeaks and creaks, and hello to pure comfort with this innovative bed frame. Transform your bedroom with this stylish and functional piece that combines convenience, durability, and modern design. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.